welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making shaving cream art, and if you saw my previous video of us putting eggs inside shaving cream and food coloring, then you would know where I got this from. Okay, so that's what they look like from the previous video. But now you're going to have this, and if you're not at this step, all you'll need is shaving cream and food coloring. So first you'll put the shaving cream, and then you'll put your type of food coloring everywhere. Okay? Now, let's begin. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to mix it. You need to mix it. And then you're gonna grab your piece of paper. You can make it a card if you want. And then we're gonna put it in and press down, not too much, just a little. Okay, now we're gonna lift it up. Whoa, look at that. Now we're gonna put it on something and grab a ruler. Now we're gonna slice the shaving cream up. Whoa, look at how cool that is. And let's make another one. And let this one dry. On my second card, I'm going to add some different colors and then mix it a little bit more. I'm going to mix it. Now you're going to put the card in. And push it down before it gets the paint on it. Whoa, look at that. Now we're gonna put it back on that piece of paper. And then we're gonna do our ruler again. We're gonna push it down again. Get off the shaving cream. Wow, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Should we make another one? Now we're gonna make another one. This time I'm just gonna mix it. I think that's enough mixing. Now I'm gonna put my card down. Sorry, my piece of paper. Wow, look at this. Now let's take all the shaving cream off. Whoa, look at this, guys. If you make this kind, then you can put it on the wall and stuff. Isn't this cool? Well, that was fun. I made 2 cards and I made 1 picture for the wall. Well, don't forget to smash that like button. Oh, I think I have to go wash this off. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!